Today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to make viral Fortnite map thumbnails as a beginner to achieve rapid success and growth inside of your games, to not only make yourselves money, but obviously attract customers and players inside of your world in Fortnite. If you guys are looking at this thumbnail here, obviously it was made by AI, but how can you guys replicate similar thumbnail styles to help you guys and push your guys selves forward? Well, today I'm going to walk you guys down the exact necessary steps you guys need to make thumbnails in Fortnite that actually succeed and do well. Of course, guys, go ahead and join the Discord to claim your free first map template that you guys can literally just post and potentially make thousands of dollars a month. The maps are completely ready to go. Just join the Discord and claim it. This video will be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. Let's get right into it. Okay, so first off, if we go onto Fortnite GG, you guys may be thinking, hey, this is so tricky to, tackle, right? Because there's a lot of you guys that come into my Discord. Like, I see your guys' thumbnails, right? Like, if we go to in my Market Yourself channel here, these guys' thumbnails, these are the thumbnails that you guys are usually making, and these are not good. So let me show you guys how you guys can make something similar to this. And we're going to be using the one and only Gemini AI. That's what we're going to be using, Gemini. And I know a lot of designers in the real world, they're kind of like itsy about it. They're like, oh my God, AI, you shouldn't use AI. Well, I'm going to show you guys exactly why you should. So let's go ahead and grab an actual attractive thumbnail. A lot of you guys start off with 1v1 thumbnails, so we'll start off with that. Let's do it. Okay, so most people, when they come into this business that I introduced them into, they don't know how to really work or do anything. So here we go. Let's say we have this thumbnail here by Waze. It isn't that good. The skin is good, but obviously there's a lot of things that could be improved. So literally all we have to do, guys, is just press Ctrl V, paste it into Gemini. Can you please recreate this image one-to-one exactly, brighter and more sharper? So all you literally have to do is paste the thumbnail into Gemini and you're good to go. Look, perfectly recreated, and it's actually better than the original. I'll show you right now. You ready? If we go here and we go into Photo P, which is completely free, mind you guys, get Photo P. But if we go here and we paste this thumbnail in and we go grab the one that Gemini gave me, it is a little bit better. See, look, the edges of like the shadows in the corners are more better depicted, because when you're looking actually at a thumbnail in Fortnite, it's this small. This is like how small the thumbnail usually is. So by having corners darker, it focuses your eyes into the center, which is why people do that. It's called vignettes. People do that with CGI, like in most popularly the Avengers Endgame scene when Iron Man is like on your left, and the portal scene, right? When Thanos is like, I don't even know who you are. But yeah, so if we want to actually make our thumbnails better, guys, so how can we improve off of this? All you literally have to do, go to image, this button right here, go to adjustments, go to shadows and highlights, and turn that shit up. All you have to do, guys, is literally just turn it up. Turn up the shadows and highlights, and that's pretty much it. Like, this is why all of the thumbnails that you see on Fortnite GG are the most brightest. If we look here, bright, and it's even more proven. My point is that when you actually hover on the images themselves, they brighten up. Because why would you not want to have a cool hover click animation that brightens the thumbnail or someone's gonna click? Same thing with the assets that are inside of your guys' worlds. So it's not necessarily hard to make thumbnails. Designing this on your own is pretty hard, I'm not gonna lie. So this is why you should be using AI, okay? And I understand that a lot of you guys would critique the fact that, hey, you shouldn't be using AI. No, you shouldn't. The thumbnail that literally brought you into this video was AI generated. Well, it technically wasn't. I put a lot of time into it, but I did do some AI scoping, rotoscoping here. Like this thumbnail that you guys are watching, right? It's an amazing thumbnail, but it's completely AI generated. Well, it's not really. The only thing that I did was just swap my face over the other person's face. That's it. Everything else here is done by me. You know what I'm saying. Okay, so how can Davey stretch this video out to 8 more minutes to make more money in the ad rules on this video? Just kidding. Let me tell you guys some critical things that you guys need to do to actually improve your thumbnails. Obviously, in the beginning, I went over how you actually make your own thumbnails in 2026 in the big 2.6, fries in the bag type shit. But I want to show you exactly how you can improve off of this, okay? Past the prompt engineering skills that you have. So we have this generated here. We have this nice image, but there's a lot of ways that we can improve this, okay? Because I see a lot of you guys who are just online on Twitter. Believe me, I'm on Twitter a lot. I see your guys' garbage thumbnails, and a lot of the problems is that you AI generate it, but you don't really change a lot. For example, this illustration here, I literally just recreated it. I want to change a lot of things, okay? Let's change the skin behind the person. Watch this. Change the skin behind the white skin person. I think she's white. I don't know races like that, but with the Joan Nessie skin. And also change the text where it says Waze 1v1 with Davy 1v1 instead. Watch. Now it's going to be completely irreplaceable, distinguishable from the original. Look at this. The skin is now Jonesy. It now says Davy 1v1. If we compare the two images themselves here, you'll see a big difference. Take a look. Look at this. Davy 1v1. You cannot tell me I didn't make this thumbnail. There's no difference. I pretty much made this thumbnail. This is my thumbnail now. You know what I mean? That's what I do. Stole that shit. If you guys know that 6ix9ine meme, you know? But like, seriously, this is what you should be doing. You don't think Marvel's using CGI for Avengers Doomsday? Of course they are. They're firing thousands of employees. And Epic Games and Tim Sweeney, you should be making AI Fortnite skins. You know, like I want Homelander in the game. It took you guys 5 months. It's still not there. Just get an AI artist to do it. You should be using AI generated skins in Fortnite. Obviously, we can't tell anyone or we're going to lose sales on the business and stuff, right? But do it under the low. I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't, right? Why would you not want to save yourself time as a corporate CEO, right? Like my Fort Mafia Inner Circle program that makes people thousands of dollars a month by connecting with the biggest people inside of the space that can help you, right? Which you guys can join in the link in the description and pay and join. But also, why would I not want to leverage my own time and have people that are already making millions of dollars help you guys instead of me having to do it all myself? Like this is just, when you get successful at anything, you want to have the highest output and leverage of your time. So you guys should already be treating yourselves as successful because I'm the reason you're literally in this business. I created this business for everyone. It was an industry before me, but I'm the one pioneering and popularizing it for everyone around the world, for billions of people, building the games with the biggest people in the world. Regardless, back to my statement here. Let's go into this thumbnail here. This has 7,000 players and has made $410,000, mind you, in literally a year. Well, actually, it's made $266,000. I was looking at this here, which you can tell, because every 1 million minutes is $1,000, okay? So the fact that he has 410 million minutes means that he's made over $410,000. But this is what I will say. This is not even Scissors' game. Obviously, that was a Fortnite guy, you know, 10 years ago. Get a load of this guy. But obviously, he's not popular anymore. But I don't understand why this guy just stole his game. I don't understand. Scissors, you should take this down and claim all the money. I don't understand why he just took your game and posted it and used your name and likeliness. That's kind of unoriginal, but hey, that's this world in these days, guys. People get lazy, you know? But go ahead and join Fort Mafia in the link in the description. Mr. Beast and Arak themselves would not promote it otherwise if they didn't believe in it as much as I do for you. And of course, guys, go ahead and join the Discord in the link in the description to claim your pre-made map that will literally make you guys potentially thousands of dollars a month. Who wouldn't want to have a ready-to-go, fully successful game that they could literally post and market and make lots of money for themselves? I cannot thank you guys enough for being inside of this business with me where I can represent and help you guys. Seriously, I'm honestly changing the world. I have a lot of cool things planned in the works, which is why the content has been kind of semi-repetitive, because I'm building the industry as we go. It's not gonna take much longer. A lot of things are coming that you guys don't know about. Like a lot of things that you guys would be like, wow, yeah, that makes sense. You know, like when I become a mega famous person, you guys will initially be like, yeah, that makes sense. Like, this is just who he is. I will fit right in. And all of you guys will as well. I'm thankful to have you guys watching my content. We got a few months left of the year to go. Let's end it off strong. I will, and I know all of you guys will as well. I love you guys super, super much. Of course, guys, click the last video that you're seeing on screen. It's very helpful. It's been your boy Davey Davis. Join the Discord. Do what you got to do. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Let me know what you guys thought of in this video down below. I'm so thankful. I'm so blessed. And you guys are as well. God's plan. I love you guys. Let's keep going.